Hi guys, it's Kristen with APO Creations, and I'm making one of my co-workers a cup today. So I made up, I don't know, I think it's 10 mils. I won't need that much, but because I'm gonna do the epoxy method for putting my glitter on. Let me just get the handle up here. Actually, I'm just gonna whoop. And when you do the epoxy method, you don't want to put too much resin on there. Just enough to make sure that it's all covered. Because if you use too much, if you've got fine glitter, you'll end up losing it, basically. All right. Okay, let me put this down here. Turn my tumbler on again. So I am going to be using 2 from PDB, Pink Surge and Hollaback Girl, and then sprinkle on some Hurricane from oh my gosh, MNG Glitter. Oh my gosh. And even though it looks like this is covering everything up, it's not really. It's just because it's a darker, heavier cut. But it will, most of it will fall off. And it will fill in all of the gaps. Oops. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna let this keep turning and clean up my glitter, and I'll be back.
I opened one small jar just to sprinkle for the art. Now my house looks like a disco ball exploded in my heart. It's on my shirt, my phone, my coffee cup and chair. I swear I saw a sparkle floating gently through the air. I vacuum once, I vacuum twice. It multiplies like craft supplies. Glitter everywhere, glitter in my hair, glitter on the floor and somehow in my underwear. Glitter on my dog, glitter in my tea, glitter in places that glitter shouldn't be. Glitter in my car, glitter in the sink, glitter on my elbow and I don't know how I think. I tried to clean it up but it's a losing fight. Glitter is a lifestyle and it's here for life. My husband says he found some glitter in his shoe. I told him that's impossible, I only use like 2 tiny little jars of rainbow crafting joy. Now every step I take goes sparkle deploy. You think it's gone, you think you're free, then it shows.
So she wanted the hot pink and she wanted butterflies. So usually I don't wear gloves when I do my UV DTFs, but because I didn't want to put any fingerprints on the cup. Ugh. I got a big bubble right there. Brr. I'll get it in a second. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with that, but I'll just have to draw something in there. Ugh. Okay. Okay, I just have to find something for that. Okay.